In today's video, we'll show you how to upload your drawings and use the auto-naming feature. First, select the project where you want to upload the drawings. From the project dashboard, simply click on the Drawings tab. Next, select the Upload button. Once you've uploaded your files, the system will process the drawings. This usually takes a few minutes. When they're ready, you can open them by clicking directly on them. You also have the option to manually edit each drawing if needed. Now for the auto-naming feature. Select all the drawings and the auto-naming button will appear. Click on it. A new window will pop up. From there, you'll choose the best drawing page, one that has a clear sheet name and page number. Next, drag the blue box over the sheet name and the green box over the page number. It's important to make sure the boxes don't overlap with any other lines or characters. This ensures the highest accuracy for the auto-naming feature. Once the two boxes are properly placed, you can proceed. The auto-naming will work in the background, and the drawings will be ready for your review in a few minutes. When the process is complete, a new window will appear, allowing you to quickly verify all the pages and make any necessary changes. If everything looks correct, just press continue. And just like that, all your pages are auto-named. You've just saved yourself hours of work. Ready to get started? Sign up for your free demo today and discover how much time you can save. For the latest updates, follow us on Instagram.